Setting up Mailchimp for new product announcements can completely transform how you engage with your audience, making your launches smoother and more impactful. If you're curious about how to effectively use Mailchimp for this, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps, from setting up your account to sending your first announcement. And stick around until the end, because I have a special extended free trial offer for you. Before we dive in, you can start using Mailchimp for free from the first link in the description, with exclusive bonuses to make your experience even smoother. This means you can get started without any risk, so let's get into it. First, you'll need to create a Mailchimp account if you haven't already. Head to their website, sign up, and once you're in, go to the dashboard. The next thing you'll want to do is set up your audience. This is the group of people you'll be sending your product announcements to. To do this, navigate to the Audience tab. If you're just starting, you can import a list or manually add contacts. Next thing, make sure your audience is well organized by setting up tags for segmentation. You want to make sure you're sending the right product announcement to the right people. Whether you're targeting people based on their previous purchase behavior or interests, using tags will help you stay organized. Now, let's move on to creating your campaign. Click on the Create button, then choose Email, and select Regular for a straightforward product announcement. Choose the audience you want to send this to and set up your subject line. The subject is crucial. It should be attention-grabbing and give a clear idea of what your subscribers can expect from your product announcement. The fourth thing is designing your email. Mailchimp has a drag-and-drop editor, which makes it super easy to create visually appealing emails, even without any design skills. For a new product announcement, consider using a template that highlights images or features of your product. Add sections with product details, and don't forget a clear call to action that links to your product page. Then, preview your email and test it. You can send a test email to yourself to check the formatting, make sure everything looks good, and ensure all links are working correctly. The sixth step is automation. If you want to send your new product announcements regularly, Mailchimp lets you automate these campaigns so you don't have to manually send them each time. You can schedule the emails to go out at specific times or trigger them based on certain actions, like when a subscriber joins your list or clicks a link. Lastly, when you're ready to send, click Send or schedule it for a future time. You'll get analytics that shows how many people opened your email, clicked on your links, and more. This helps you refine future product announcements. Remember, with Mailchimp, you can get started for free and take advantage of their exclusive bonuses by clicking the link in the description below. You'll also get access to an extended free trial to test out all the premium features. Setting up Mailchimp for your product announcements doesn't have to be complicated. It's simple, effective, and with a few tweaks, you can really boost your product launches. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check the link below for that extended trial.